My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups and online scam that is coming from the website Onlinecyberprotection.live. Onlinecyberprotection.live is a new dangerous website that may suddenly attack Google Chrome browser and other browsers too. This site, Onlinecyberprotection.live, tries to make you pretty scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, if you see these pop-ups, make sure you disregard whatever they tell you. They are absolutely fake. So just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner, and the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the program, and start researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.